Hello guys, in this section I will explain the topics regarding the pattern, matcher, and scatter classes, and the split method for tokenizing. The pattern and matcher classes help us mainly for searching. We will look at the methods of the pattern and matcher you will need to know for exam, but we will also check at the regular expressions that will help us perform our search criteria. Let's begin by a basic search example. I declare a string variable called Regex, which contains the expression I want to find. It will be DA. Next, I declare the text I want to search this occurrence. I declare an object of type pattern. Here's where I pass the Regex expression in the compile method. Next, I declare an object of type matcher. I use the pattern object I created above. Then I invoke the matcher method on it, where I pass the string I want to search from. After I have created all this, we will work in the matcher object. This find method in the while means, if condition is met, execute this, and here we can capture either its index or the word if it's grouped. So we will print its index with the start method. We see it print 0 and 4. Let's see another case. We want to search for this expression in this string. Let's run it and it prints 0 and 4. If you can see, there's an ABA string in the second index. The expression didn't consider since the expression works from left to right, and the first occurrence was found and it can be reused. So now that we saw the basics of Regex and how you can find certain words in a string, we are moving on how you can find digits, a word character like letters, digits, underscore, and white space. What I mentioned is called as meta characters, and I will review the ones that you will need to know for the exam. I will start with the digit meta character. It's represented by a D letter and you have to escape it like this. For the string I'm going to search, I put letters and digits. We should by this get 4 indexes. Let's see. Now let's see the W meta character. This one looks for digits, letters, and underscores. We will use the group method here, which will display the characters that meet this criteria. We will search in this string, which has characters that are not digits, letters, or underscores, and some that are, so that we can find them. When we run it, we get E, 9, and underscore. Let's now see the white space meta character, which is represented by an S. Let's put it in index 2. So here we can see that by this white space, it displayed index 2. And this white space character. Now let's see the dot meta character, which is represented by a dot. This dot meta character is like a wildcard, and we will see it in action. Let's say you have this string, which is a DNA sequence sample. You want to find a T, anything between N and ending T, so we put a dot between these T's. Let's run it and we get TGT with index 3 and TTT with index 8. So how can we search for the dot itself and not the dot meta character? We have to escape it. So we will put escape dot here. We will also put a dot in index 0 and a dot in index 2. Now, let's see what this ABC in brackets followed by an X means. The brackets means the first character can either be an A, B, or C. After this, the next character would just be an X. Let's run it and we got AX, CX, and BX. There's something we can use between brackets, which is a hyphen. What the hyphen does is to search in a range of letters or digits. So we put A-F, which means search characters from A to F,